Hello family, I just had to share this video, okay, because I just wanted to share a thought and I would love all of you to contribute, leave your comments below. Okay, so if you're a fan of mashed Kenkey, yes, then this is for you. Okay, so you know that flavor of mashed Kenkey, I love it. It's got that slight fermentation and the sweetness and the creaminess when one adds their milk and everything. Okay, so boarding school days, one would sort of ferment their Kenkey to the point that it has more of a little bit of an alcohol content anyway. So in the kitchen, or may I call my laboratory, I was like, okay, let me try and push this to its limits and just see what the flavor or the fermentation level, and yes, the flavor will be. Yeah, so after 2 months, I decided to open it, and this is what happened. So here we've got our Kenkey pain. Why is everyone paying for thy champagne when we've got Kenkey pain? Okay, I mean, that's what I really wanted to share. Okay, flavor-wise, I think, 2 months was a little bit too long. It was slightly strong. No, it was very strong, not slightly strong. When I tasted it, I was like, ooh, this is very, very strong. No, so I'm definitely going back to the drawing board to create that, because I just want to extract that flavor that keeps being in my head. And maybe you never know, in about a year or two, you might find a product of such on Buy Indidu. Yeah, this is what I think about. And that is, I just wanted to share that. So now, if you have ever made this fermented Kenkey drink, please leave your comments below and just share your experiences. I'd love to hear that. Thank you guys. Kiss, kiss. Bye-bye.